Yes, good evening, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something related to cricket, guys. Okay. Well, we all have played cricket right from our school days. Okay, and still I play cricket, guys, on weekends. And the one thing that I always try to do is bowl fast. Okay, I always play in tennis ball, guys, or max rubber ball. Okay, though I would not get much of that pace whilst I am trying to bowl using tennis ball because it actually, I mean, it gradually slows down. Though I am trying to bowl it fast through my arms, shoulders, and my body. So whilst it reaches the batsman, like half of the pace would go away. Okay, unlike the cricket ball, which would not lose its pace after it reaches the ground. So leaving that aside, I'm just going to tell you, like, if you are excited about fast bowling in particular, okay, and if you're already trying to go to nets and practicing fast bowling, obviously, if you have the velocity speed gun, you would be able to measure the speed. Okay, if you don't have one, okay, and generally these velocity speed guns are costly, hence if you can't afford one, you can just do a simple math to calculate your bowling speed or measure your bowling speed, basically. All right, so in this video, that is what I'm going to show you, how to measure your bowling speed with just a simple math. So let's quickly get started, guys. Well, the most effective method is, like I said before, you can buy a velocity speed gun that will help you to measure your bowling speed. And if you can't afford one, and the next most effective way is to use a stopwatch, guys, which is accurate to milliseconds. All right. So all you need to do is tell somebody to start the watch when you release the ball and stop when it reaches the other end to the batsman. All right. And we know that speed is equal to distance by time. We all may have learned it in our school days. Okay, in physics class, perhaps. All right. And you know the distance of the pitch. Of the cricket pitch is 22 yards. Okay, and you have the time, that is the time in your stopwatch is going to be calculated in seconds. All right, so converting 22 yards into kilometers will give us a value of 0.0201168 kilometer, guys. All right, so this is I have converted time to hours, guys. Okay, so for example, let's assume it took 0.54 seconds. All right, apologies about my bad handwriting, to reach the other end, that is to the batsman. So then the hour, right, overall time taken for the bowler to release and then the ball reaching to the batsman, it took 0.54 seconds. And if we convert it to hours in case, then it will become a value of 0.00015. All right, now we have two values here, that is distance by time. All right, now if I write down the speed formula, guys, which is equal to distance by time. So we have both these values just now. Okay, that is the distance, which is 22 yards, is equal to this kilometer here. All right, I will just write down the value here, 0.0201168 kilometer. All right, because generally we would like to measure our bowling speed in kilometer measuring, right? Okay, and then time, which is nothing but, it was 0.054 seconds. Okay, we are considering it, I mean, we are just assuming the ball released by the bowler and then the ball hitting the batsman, though the time took 0.54 seconds. And when we converted to hours, all right, this was the value. All right, I'm just going to put this value here, 0.00015. All right, now what you will get is, if you use a calculator, what you will get is 134 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the bowler, guys. Okay, and we simply used a stopwatch to calculate after we had just used this formula too, the basic mathematical formula which our school teachers have taught us, okay, during our school days, in physics class perhaps, or in mathematics class perhaps. All right, and so this is the second most effective method, guys, if you can't afford a velocity speed gun, all right, which is costly, that is available in the market. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the support button, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful technical content like this. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, eat healthy, cheers, bye bye.